Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Xbox One tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox One controller to your Xbox One. So this will be how to go through the syncing process so that you can pair your Xbox One controller to your Xbox One and play games with it, anything you want to. So the first step in actually connecting your Xbox One controller to your Xbox One is going to be to turn on the controller. And we do that by simply holding down this little Xbox button right here just for a couple seconds till the light comes on. Now, before it's paired, it'll blink slowly like this. And now what we need to do is actually put the Xbox One controller in pairing mode, and then we need to put your Xbox One in pairing mode as well. So to put the controller in pairing mode, with the controller on, so it's blinking like this, all we need to do is find this little button right here and just tap that for a second, and you'll see the light start rapidly blinking. This means it is in bind mode, and it's ready to pair with your Xbox One. So now we need to go to our Xbox One, and directly under the button right here that is illuminated, you'll find a button that's on this black rim. Go ahead and do the same thing with that button you did on your controller. Just hold it down for a second or two until it is blinking. And then as you can see, they will sync up. Might take a second there, but they'll stop blinking. And now they're synced. We can control our Xbox One with our Xbox One controller. Now, if that does not work with you for some reason, don't worry. It's actually pretty easy to fix. All we need to do is get a micro USB cable. This is a cable that you use maybe with some Bluetooth headphones or older cell phones. Go ahead, plug the micro USB side into your Xbox One controller, and then plug the other end into your Xbox One. So that should be located under the disk drive or on the left bottom side of your Xbox One. So I'll plug it in. When I plugged it in, the Xbox One controller vibrated, and then the light on my Xbox One controller stopped blinking. And now when I unplug it, it'll take a second, but then it will sync up with my Xbox One, and I'm ready to go. I can play games with this controller. All right, so that's how you connect your Xbox One controller to your Xbox One. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Xbox One tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.